Cutlass. Getting some work done. Another Cutlass. GTO getting done. Oh, that don't look bad. Cutting shit up for a radio. I just felt like I'd do a little quick video, man. There's more to come.